How to fix your DiDi application not working correctly. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily fix your DiDi application not working correctly. So if you're also using DiDi application for your right purposes and for some reason your application is not working correctly, so in that case what you might want to do is just head over to your device's settings first, and once inside your settings simply scroll down and click on this app section over here. And from over here you can basically tap on the search bar over here and just simply search in for the DiDi application. And once you locate the application, just tap on that, and once you tap on that, simply scroll down once again and select the option that is storage. And once you select the storage option, just click on clear case and just click on clear data if you like, if it is still not working. And once you do all of that, just try restarting your DiDi application and it should start working correctly. And if it's still not working for some reason, there might be glitches, so you can just head over to your Play Store or App Store based on your devices choice and simply search in for DiDi application once again, and make sure your app is up to date if there's any latest update available on your device. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.